Hi, Jordan. You can find some of my pants. You're welcome.
Domino's Deluxe.
You got Domino's? What's this? What's this? Mom got me a sewing machine. Yay! Cool. Is it filming?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. What did you say? Mom got me a sewing machine. I might chop my finger off.
You might need sew.
Yeah, sew my finger off. Urs, look.
Dude, I got the same thing.
This is mine. It's yours.
I got magnetics too.
This is mine.
Bigger, stronger,
The size of that
faster,
sucker.
magnetic system.
Slow down, babe.
Killing me.
Wow, what'd you get, Urs?
Seriously, Dad.
Sleepover? Thanks, babe.
That's for you.
What
That
are those?
is Ursula. That's yours and Isabel. Okay.
We share. I know how to work for those. Oh my god.
See? Babe, get the oven mitts, eh? So they have to open one with an oven mitt.
I'll do that tonight then, Mom. That's yours. Kid.
Babe, open that gift for us. It's a small present. Yes, give it to Mom.
It's magnet.
Oh my God.
Isabel, is there anything for
I
me
got
over there?
Thanks,
No.
Dad.
Mom, hand me stuff.
Come on, I want to see it. Let's see it.
What is it?
A vibrator.
Oh, that's what you got from the store.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright,
Nice.
can you look for something back there? Because there's a couple presents for me back there.
Nice, guys. Here. Put the paper in there. Guys.
Wait, can we let Ben lay in?
Not yet.
Why not?
Yes.
This tastes so good. What's this?
That's for you, Jay. Open it.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Urs, look
Awesome.
at my ladybug. What is it? Ah.
Where you from now?
You recommend you the
Come
little
on, hold it there.
Wrap,
Stand up.
wrap. What's in
Two
here?
hands.
It's wrap. Woo!
Hold it really strong. Put your fingers through there. Your fingers got to go through there. Yes.
Alright.
Now I'm opening.
So hey you guys, what you get?
Oh, wow. Thanks, babe.
What you get is I got
Where'd you get that from? Where'd you
treasure
get the
box.
bag for it? Oh, that's cool.
Keep them on, but this is clear.
Dad.
Let me see it.
Dad, it's heavy. It's getting heavy.
Nice.
Phone ringing.
Oh my God! Look! I got $1 million on this picture.
Can you clear the way for me?
Good.
Hey, dude.
Opening and opening up a bunch of presents. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Did
Where you
Papa
going?
get us any?
That's for you and Dad.
So what's the plan?
Oh, it's heavy.
Let me see.
Great.
Let me. That's cute.
Oh.
Mom, what's that present over there? Right there and there and there. Who's are those? Oh my God, Isabel! What? Oh my God. Wax.
The Ursula. So you're still not the Ursula.
I know, I'm just hanging.
Well, I
From
talked to
me.
Dad.
This
He
was
said the
from
same
me.
thing. I didn't realize that.
I gave you this. Thank you.
Hey, Dad, look at
What we got.
Don't take it, Peter.
Yeah, we took 2 turkeys.
You like it. Paco. I got her some popcorn.
No.
Okay, so you're not coming either, I guess, then?
No, look at it.
Okay.
Who is that?
Okay. Let's start. Cool, I'm glad you're coming. Okay, here, talk to Isabel and Nancy.
Who is it?
It's Auntie. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Spice.
Tell me my mom's coming.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah.
Dad, my arm hurts. It hurts. It's heavy. This thing's like 50 pounds. What else you get?
No.
Me too. I said it was a game console. I told you guys it was a game console.
No, I knew because I was with Dad when he bought it.
You got a Wii! We got a Wii!
You know what else? When I said, I want to blabber it out. I was gonna blabber out Wii.
Open the Wii, guys, and go play it.
From me. This is from me.
Alright, hold it.
You like them?
Wow.
You're gonna like candy. I think. I forgot.
Bubble bubble.
Yes. You like it?
Yeah.
I got it for you.
What's this? Another magazine?
Oh my God! I like that. Huh? You like it?
Yeah, I just said cool.
Sweet.
What's the last one? Isabel, can you put the cannonball back up? Ursula did.